Hey guys, winter's coming, and today I'm going to get my snowblower ready for the snow we're going to be getting. Now I have a yardwork snowblower with a Tecumseh engine on it, and sometimes it surges. The throttle goes up and down and up and down, and I learned that there is a idle, what is it called? An idle jet screw that needs to be cleaned out because sometimes dirty gas gets in there and plugs it up. So I'm going to show you how to get to it today. And I don't know if this is on any other snow blowers or any other engine types, or Briggs and Stratton or whatever, but I know it's on Tecumseh engine. So first of all, we got to get this cover off. I'll pull the key out. And I got to get a screwdriver. Pull off the choke button, the choke knob. Now there's a small bolt in the front that has to come off. This one right here. I think I'm going to need a ratchet. She's on there pretty tight. And these two screws in the front have to come off. Now, you take the, got one more bolt. One more bolt. Now, get it over that. And we can just drop it down. No, I'm going to get it, I got it, no, I'm going to just drop it down. So now, you can see right in here, these two bolts have to come out. And they're a little smaller than this. You have to take these two small bolts out to get to that jet screw. Okay, we just got to loosen it a bit and turn it sideways. Now, here's the jet screw right here. Be careful taking it out, that you don't drop it and lose it. And there it is here. Now it has two holes. There's a hole on each side, and it has a hole in the tip of it. So what you got to do is you got to get, what I do is I take a piece of wire from a steel brush and I just poke it in there. So here I've got a wire from a steel brush, and I just poke it in the end hole. Turn it around a little bit. And that should clean out any debris that's in there from dirty gas. Then I just blow on the end of it. So, should be clean now. I don't know if you can see it or not. But you just poke a wire in the end to clean it out. And you can actually, if you put the light on the end of it, you can see in the hole. Might not show up on camera. But she's cleaned out now. Now we'll put it back together again. Careful not to strip the threads. And you don't have to tighten it that much, just snug. Just snug it in there. Put this back together. This back up. Slide those up. knobs back on. And the key. And if you have any surging, that should fix it. Now I'll start it up and make sure she's running okay. So hopefully, if you have that same problem, this will help you. I know it works on the Tecumseh engine. I don't know about a Briggs & Stratton, if it's got the same screw in it or not, I don't know. But it works for me. It's worked numerous times. And so I guess that'll be it for this one. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later. Ciao.